Good evening, all of you. This topic is trigonometry. Trigonometry is a Greek word. There are three words include tri. Tri is the theory, and gon is called sides. Metry. Metry is called measurement. Measurement is called trigonometry. Trigonometry is the study of relation between angle and sides of triangle. This is the triangle of ABC. This is the right triangle. Angle B is the right angle triangle. This measurement was 90 degree. It's called right angle triangle. Angle C is opposite side of is the perpendicular. And angle of B opposite sides of hypotenuse. It's denoted by H, perpendicular denoted by P, and adjacent of angle C is the base. It is denoted by B. Then sine is equal to P by H. Cos is equals to B upon H. Tan is equals to P upon B. Remember this formula जिसे हम एक पोएम की तरह याद रख सकते हैं, जैसे पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हरि हरि बोल, सोना चांदी तो S for sine, C for cos, then T for tan. That's opposite. Sine opposite is cosec is equals to H upon P. Cos opposites to sec is equals to H upon B. Tan opposites cot is equals to B upon P. This formula is very important of this topic. Some formula: sin square theta is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Then sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta under root. Again cos square theta is equals to 1 minus sin square theta, and cos theta is equals to under root 1 minus sin square theta. Then Pythagoras theorem hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square, and H is equals to hypotenuse is equals to under root perpendicular square plus base square. Again perpendicular square is equals to hypotenuse square minus base square. Then P is equals to under root hypotenuse square minus base square. Again base square is equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square. Then base is equals to hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square under root. This formula is very important for this topic, trigonometry. Okay. Then this basis of some points of the numerical as any triangle perpendicular if perpendicular is equals to 4 centimeter, base is equal to 3 centimeter, then find the value of hypotenuse is equals to what? Then put the formula. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square is equals plus base square. Hypotenuse is equals to under root perpendicular square plus base square. So to put the value of perpendicular is 4 square plus put the value of b is equals to 3 square under root. The 4 square is equals to 16 plus 3 square is equals to 9 is equals to under root 25. Under 25 is equals to h is equals to 5 centimeter. Find the value of hypotenuse is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay. Then once again numerical. Hypotenuse is equals to 17 centimeter. Perpendicular is equals to 13 centimeter. Base is equals to what? Find the value of a base. Find the value of base. What? The base is equals to, we remember, hypotenuse square minus perpendicular square is equals to 17 square. Hypotenuse is 17 centimeter, 70 centimeter square minus perpendicular is 13 centimeter square under root. 17 centimeter square, 17 square is equals to 289 minus 13 square is equals to 169 under root, then 0, 2, 1 under root. Then 120 approx 11 centimeter, 11 centimeter. And (14) under root 2 to 120. Sorry 2 हम ऐसे निकालेंगे 16, 0, 30, 0, 15, then 2 root 30 centimeter. Then find the value of base is equals to 2 under root 30.